made the respondent's position clear. The prosecution has no other competent evidence to prove that VP Sara contracted an assassin. Ang testimonya ni Kalilong, gaya ng iba pang ebidensya kuno ng prosecution, ay hindi sapat para patunayan ang materials is a waste of this honorable court's time and the Filipino people's money.
Ayon kay Vinluan, may banta sa pamilya ng Vice Presidente. Bagamat may tuturing anyang unconventional ang tugon nito, ito ay makatwiran.
What triggered her response was a question about Operation Romanov, which is the plot to eliminate VP Sara and her entire family. The NBI's own records prove this. In the minutes of the meeting of Dempsey Reyes' interview, he said, and I quote, "May press con kasi earlier than that." Sabi niya, parang hindi lang niya gusto daw, sabi lang niya gusto daw siyang patayin daw, according to her, ni Speaker. That was during a press conference the day before, November 2022. End of quote. During the virtual press con, Princess Maui mentioned Operation Romanov again and even warned her about her safety. Reyes talked about it, Princess Maui reiterated it, but the NBI gaslighted it.
Sinabi ni Vinluan na nang binanggit ni Duterte ang umanay pagbabanta, sinabi niya ito hindi bilang Vice Presidente kundi bilang isang asawa, ina, anak at kapatid na nais lang protektahan ang buhay niya at kanyang pamilya.
Umaga na, balita na!
Threat against their lives